Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into the top 5 best camping gadgets of 2024 that will completely transform your outdoor adventures. Whether you're an avid camper or just starting out, these must-have gadgets will make your trips more comfortable and exciting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoy the video. And as always, you can find all the product links down in the description box below. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Nightcat Pop-Up Camping Tent. This upgraded pop-up tent opens up in just 3 seconds. Simply toss it to the ground and you're all set. What sets this apart is its improved fold-back design, which is easier than the traditional pop-up tents. Just fold it in the shape of an 8 twice, and you're good to go. It's lightweight at only 3 kilograms and packs down to 40% smaller than other pop-up tents. Perfect for carrying on any adventure. With roomy space for up to 4 people and great ventilation thanks to the 2 big doors and wide windows, it's great for enjoying a breezy day at the beach or out in nature. You can even create a shaded porch by setting up the front doors with trekking poles. Next up, at number 4, we have the FLEXTAILGEAR Portable Evo Lantern. This multifunctional lantern is not just your typical camping light. It comes with a built-in telescopic pole and push-to-open tripod, allowing you to use it in 3 different ways, whether as a tripod light, a table light, or even a flashlight. Plus, you can rotate the light 720 degrees for precise lighting, perfect for those late-night campfire gatherings or hiking trips. The 12,000 miles per hour rechargeable battery ensures it'll last you through the night, and the magnetic base means you can attach it securely to metal surfaces, ideal for nighttime engine checks or repairs. Coming in at number 3 is the GRAYL UltraPress Titanium Water Purifier. If you're heading into the backcountry or traveling internationally, this water purifier is an absolute must. It removes 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoa from even the sketchiest water sources. No need for bulky filters or complicated setups. Just fill, press, and drink clean water in just 10 seconds. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or surviving in the wild, this purifier ensures safe hydration wherever you go. Now, who doesn't love a good cup of coffee in the wild? At number 2, we have the Stanley Camp Pour-Over Set. This traditional pour-over coffee maker is made from stainless steel, so it's durable and perfect for outdoor use. Just pour your favorite coffee grounds into the reusable filter, add hot water, and let it drip through. It's as simple as that. No need for paper filters, and it's super easy to clean. Whether you're at the campsite or on a morning hike, this set is sure to elevate your coffee experience. Finally, our number 1 camping gadget is the MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag. This extra-large sleeping bag is perfect for couples or friends who want to share the warmth. It's roomy enough for 2 tall adults and can even be unzipped into 2 separate sleeping bags or queen-sized blankets. The sleeping bag is designed for all seasons, keeping you comfortable whether it's a chilly fall night or a warmer summer evening. Plus, it comes with 2 pillows and a contoured hood to keep you cozy and warm. With its versatility and comfort, you'll sleep like a baby no matter where you camp.